Yes, we love your fire truck. Tell us about your fire truck.
It moves.
It moves. Okay, so what do you use a fire truck for?
We use a fire truck for rescuing and people.
Okay, for rescuing people when they're in danger. And how do you get to call the fireman when there's an emergency?
You must not touch dangerous things.
Okay, we
Because
must.
they're only for adults.
Okay, yeah, dangerous things are for adults. But what number do you call to speak with the fireman when there's an emergency?
999.
Oh, you call 999 for the fireman to come rescue. Okay. So show us how the fireman uses the fire truck to rescue.
Okay. Fireman, I need some help. Can you rescue me, please? Okay. No. I'll rescue. Thanks.
Is that all? But what did he do? We didn't see what he did. You were not explaining to us. So what did the fireman do with the truck?
He just helped him.
Show us how they operate it, how the fireman operates it.
We must use a flasher.
He uses the flasher, okay?
And the water come out from the flasher.
Oh, the water comes out, okay? Then
He take the fire away.
oh, then he takes the fire away. Interesting.
I'm not distracted.
Okay.
See you next time.
Oh, thank you.
See you to my channel.
Oh, thank you. See you next time.